नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन लिखिए, डिफाइन आइडियल गैस. What are the properties? What are the properties of ideal gas? What are the properties of ideal gas? The hypothetical gas or an imaginary gas which perfectly obey all the gas laws in all the conditions of pressure and temperature is called ideal gas or perfect gas. First property, it consists of small particles called molecules. Molecules are perfectly spherical and perfectly rigid. The collision between two molecules is perfectly elastic. The size of molecule is extremely small. एक्सट्रीमली स्मॉल के साथ ब्रैकेट में लिख लीजिए नेग्लिजिबली स्मॉल. नेग्लिजिबली स्मॉल, that is volume occupied by gas molecules volume occupied by gas molecule is zero as compared to volume of whole volume of gas. इसी में कंटिन्यू कीजिए. The whole volume of gas is available for the motion of each molecule. तीन पॉइंट हो गए हैं. चौथा आप कल लिखेंगे क्योंकि अब टाइम हो चुका पूरा. Fourth point, the molecules are in constant random motion. The magnitude and the direction of motion keeps on changing continuously. Fifth point, the molecules may have any velocity. The molecules may have any velocity, even zero velocity at any instant. The average velocity of all the molecules is same, which is not zero. But the velocity of gas in closed container is zero.
Next point, 6 point. During their motion, the molecules collide with each other. During their motion, molecules collide with each other and with the walls of container. These collisions are perfectly elastic, with no change in the momentum of molecule and the momentum of container. Seventh point, the collision between two molecules and a molecule with wall of container is instantaneous. That is, the time of contact is negligible as compared to the time of travel between two collisions. 8th point. Since the mass of molecule is very small and its instantaneous speed is very large, therefore distribution of molecules is not affected by gravity. That's why density of gas is uniform throughout the gas. Last point, 9th point. Between two successive collisions, molecules move on a straight line path. The distance covered and the time taken between two successive collisions may be different for same molecule or for different molecules.